The Larson Electronics 5-stage telescoping light mast provides a safe and effective way for operators to quickly deploy lights, security cameras, and other equipment to elevations of up to 25 feet. This light mast features an articulating boom that allows for 360 degrees of rotation and a removable masthead for storing mounted equipment when not in use. This light mast collapses down to 7.5 feet and folds over for easy transportation. When lowered to 7.5 feet, the mast can withstand winds up to 125 miles per hour. When elevated to its full upright position, the mast can be rotated a full 360 degrees. The LM series of telescoping towers are powder coated with glossy blue or black or galvanized finish for corrosion resistance and aesthetics. These light masts are typically mounted to trailers or other stable surfaces. This telescoping tower features a proprietary mast guidance system which provides increased stability during high winds. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.